Welcome to AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective with Dr. Nirdosh Jagota. Bringing over 3 decades of global regulatory and quality experience to demystify the intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare regulation.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. Nirdosh Jagota, and today we're exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming drug safety and pharmacovigilance. This represents one of the most promising applications of AI in healthcare, where technology meets our fundamental obligation to ensure patient safety. Pharmacovigilance has always been a data-intensive field. Every day, pharmaceutical companies process thousands of adverse event reports from around the world. The challenge isn't just collecting this data. It's making sense of it quickly enough to identify and respond to safety signals that could affect patient health. Let's start with a compelling example from current practice. A major pharmaceutical company recently implemented an AI system for adverse event processing that reduced the time to signal detection from weeks to days. This improvement wasn't just about speed, it allowed safety teams to focus on analysis and action rather than data processing. The regulatory landscape for AI in pharmacovigilance is evolving rapidly. Current frameworks require that AI systems demonstrate 3 key capabilities: accuracy, consistency, and traceability. These systems must not only detect safety signals, but also provide clear evidence supporting their findings. When we examine the application of AI in pharmacovigilance, we see 3 primary areas of impact. The first is in adverse event processing. Traditional manual processing of adverse event reports is time-consuming and prone to variability. AI systems can now read incoming reports, extract relevant information, and classify events according to standardized medical terminology. This automation must meet strict regulatory requirements for accuracy and completeness. The second area is signal detection. AI systems can analyze patterns across vast datasets, identifying potential safety signals that might be missed by conventional methods. For instance, a recent implementation detected a rare adverse event pattern by analyzing social media data alongside traditional adverse event reports. This kind of analysis would have been practically impossible without AI. The third area is risk assessment and management. AI systems can help evaluate the significance of detected signals and predict their potential impact on patient populations. This capability allows for more proactive safety measures rather than reactive responses. Let's delve deeper into the regulatory requirements for these AI applications. Good Pharmacovigilance Practices (GVP) now include specific guidance for AI systems. These requirements address data quality, system validation, and ongoing performance monitoring. For example, when implementing an AI system for adverse event processing, companies must demonstrate that the system can accurately identify and classify adverse events across different reporting formats and languages. They must also show that the system maintains this performance over time and across different patient populations. One fascinating development is the emergence of what we call continuous learning systems in pharmacovigilance. These systems can adapt to new safety information while maintaining regulatory compliance. However, this adaptability must be carefully controlled. Any changes to the system must be validated and documented according to predetermined protocols. Consider a real-world scenario where an AI system is monitoring global adverse event reports. The system identifies an unusual pattern of events in a specific patient subgroup. This finding triggers an automated alert, but the system's response doesn't stop there. It also analyzes historical data for similar patterns, evaluates the statistical significance of the finding, generates preliminary risk assessments, suggests potential risk mitigation strategies. All of these actions must be transparent and traceable to meet regulatory requirements. Looking toward the future, we're seeing several emerging trends in AI-enabled pharmacovigilance. Real-time safety monitoring is becoming more sophisticated, integrating data from electronic health records, clinical trials, and real-world evidence. Natural language processing is advancing to handle multiple languages and formats more effectively. However, regulatory bodies are clear that AI systems should augment, not replace, human expertise in safety assessment. The goal is to enhance our ability to protect patient safety while maintaining rigorous oversight of the process. Another critical development is the integration of AI systems with global safety databases. This integration must meet stringent requirements for data privacy and security while enabling more effective safety monitoring across different regions and healthcare systems. Regulatory agencies are also developing frameworks for validating AI systems in pharmacovigilance. These frameworks address system validation requirements, performance monitoring protocols, change control procedures, documentation standards. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in ensuring drug safety. However, success depends on striking the right balance between innovation and regulatory compliance. In our next episode, we'll explore the crucial topic of validation and verification of AI systems in healthcare, examining how we ensure these powerful tools meet the highest standards of safety and effectiveness. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Nirdosh Jagota, and this has been AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with your colleagues. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and YouTube.
You've been listening to AI Revolution in Healthcare, a regulatory perspective with Dr. Nirdosh Jagota. Join us next time as we continue to explore the intersection of AI innovation and healthcare regulation.